I called you out to find out from you. What sort of this stupid character displays your daughter displaying of recent? What is going on with her?
My husband. Oh, now she is my daughter. But all this while she goes out to win awards. She's our child, isn't it?
Cecilia, I am not cut out for these jobs. Please. Who did this Gina say Tonia went out with?
That's what I can't answer. Even Gina couldn't tell me any particular person Tonia went after. I sensed it when Gina came back with the provision.
This stupid character of hers has to stop. How do we know when she's in danger? The worst of it is that she will refuse to pick her call so that we can't reach her. What sort of rubbish is that?
No. I have called Gina severally. And she said she's even worried that Tonia has not called her.
What is all this? Where could this girl be? God, let nothing happen to my daughter.
I pray nothing will happen to her.
Now remember, do not do anything stupid if you don't want to get beaten. Do you hear me? But if you behave yourself by keeping quiet, trust me, you'll be fine. You can eat your food.
Where is Linda?
Any problem? If there's anything you want her to do for you, you can equally tell me. I'll do it for you.
It's a woman's stuff. You can't.
She went out. She'll come back. I'll tell her to come and see you. Eat your food.
Thank you.
Don't do anything stupid. Have I made myself clear? Gina, what do we call this? How can this girl be acting stupid? Knowing fully well that we'll be worried. Look at what you put us through before, and she's doing it again.
Honestly, sir, it baffles me that her phones are still switched off. I called her severally, one of the lines connected and went off after a while.
My God, where do I go to look for this girl? And the police might not listen to me this time around.
My husband, you have to try and meet your friend, the DPO, so you don't conclude yet. All we have to do now is to go out there and look for her.
And look for her where? Where do we look for her?
Oh my God. And I didn't even get to see the people she ran after. But wait a minute. I think I have an idea. How about we go into the supermarket with police warrants and demand for their CCTV footage?
That's a good idea. A brilliant one. Let's go. Let's go.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me, marry me.
Mother, why is the prince not coming down to see me?
Come here. Come take the tray. Serve her well.
Sorry, my queen.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Mother, it's alright. I'm used to low lives. Mother, you know, I was just missing him so much. I couldn't even sleep. I just wanted to just see his face and also to see your smile.
I'm good. Always looking gorgeous.
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah, baby.
That is why you're a mommy.
So,
Yeah. So what about that little brat, that rat? Where is she?
oh, you mean Tonia?
Is that her name?
Yes.
I think so.
Okay.
What about her? Is she around?
Oh, she left to see her parents. I gave her a week off.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Everything okay?
Of course, mother. Everything is fine. You know, I was just going around the whole palace to take some fresh air. So I noticed I haven't seen her around. You know, she's always everywhere, trying to be on everybody's face. So I just thought I should just ask about her. Not as if she's important. She's not.
Joy,
Mother.
I hope all is well.
Of course.
Are you sure everything is right?
Yeah. Mother, you know the last time I came here, she actually spoiled my day.
Oh,
You know, I just don't like her.
sorry about that.
What do we call this, Gina? Just like my husband said, these people seem to know what they came to do. And we couldn't get their faces at the CCTV camera. Both back and side view wouldn't give us anything.
You're right. But I guess it's because of their camera angles. And I don't even know who these people are.
Why Tonia is behaving like this? Why? Peradventure anything happens to her. I mean, how can one vouch for her? How?
Exactly what I'm saying, Cecilia. It seems like I can't vouch my daughter anymore. I don't know her anymore. Could you believe that my friend I called to inquire about the ultimate side that Tonia told us she went to Ogun State? He called me back to say there's nothing of such. Nothing like that.
Hi, Tonia.
That means Tonia lied to all of us.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. She lied to us. She deceived us. What's she up to?
I don't even know.
How can one know her best friend if she behaves like this? How?
Mom, I am as confused and as surprised as everyone here is. Tonia has left me in the loop. I don't know what is happening. I can't even get to wrap it around my head.
She lacks nothing. Nothing whatsoever. Are you sure you know with any man?
That Tonia is not that kind of a person.
But Gina, yesterday you went out with her and you came back along with the things you said she bought. Yet, she's not back. So what is going on? I don't get it.
Mom, I don't know. I don't know what is going on, honestly. I am as confused as you are.
And are you sure she's not under the influence of alcohol or drug?
Dad, I know that Tonia has put us through much stress of late. But honestly, she has not crossed that line. I can assure you that.
Are you sure of that?
Yes, sir.
Can you vouch for her?
Yes, sir. I am very sure.
Why do you try your best to avoid me each time I come here?
Nothing, really. I believe with time, the chemistry will flow.
For how long? Yeah. If you want me to be coming here, like every day, I would do that.
No. You can't do that. You can't keep doing that. Look, I've barely had time for you the few times that you've been around. Huh? let's do it this way. How about I come to your kingdom? Huh? Yes. Let's turn it around. I'll be visiting you from time to time. That way we can catch up and make up for lost time.
Yeah, that would have been nice. But I wouldn't want to announce you like that to my parents. Yeah, I want us to, build what we have. And be sure that, love each other and be with each other. Yeah, that way you can come around. All the while I've been coming here, my parents are not aware. I sneak out without any maid or guard. So, if they find out, I'm finished. Joy will be in a big problem. So let's just take it easy. Let me do the coming.
And we don't want that.
No, you wouldn't want your baby to be in trouble.
So it's kind of a secret.
Yeah.
I get it. Remind me the name of your kingdom again.
My prince. Is it that you forgot my kingdom?
I'm so sorry, okay? A lot on my mind, but I promise you, on my honor, this is the last time I would ask you this question again.
Okay.
What is the name of your kingdom?
Umobelago kingdom.
Umobelago.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting.
I hope you won't forget.
No, never. I will never forget. Umobelago, right?
Yeah.
I got it now. Well,
Gina, what new boyfriend are you talking about that your friend has found? And since when? I thought she said her slow down from anything relationship. What is going on?
Sir, Tonia met someone and was hiding him from me. I recently found out about it. After she returned, she brought him to my house and introduced him to me. She said that she would bring him, to you for proper introduction after she must have gotten to know him better. And he's already talking about marriage. He is a prince.
A prince? Of which kingdom?
That I don't know, but I can find out.
Please do. She's your friend.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
What's wrong with you? Better not die here. What is it? This kid don't kill me.
I need peace of mind. Rushy, fire, negodi on the horses. Maribe, on the hamba. Rushy, fire, on the horses. Maribe, on the hamba. Now me you must marry on the horses. Maribe, on the hamba. I gotta do anything to get to you on the horses. Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me.
Sorry, they call me.
Who are you?
I did back here, they wash clothes. I don't say the gate they open.
You did back here?
Yes, I'm really sorry, sir.
You wash clothes?
Yes, sir.
And you left my gate open?
Sorry, sir.
You are sorry. Sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Can you imagine? You must be very stupid. As a matter of fact, I'll fire you. Idiot. Hello, babe. Ow. Yeah. See, this girl kicked me down below.
Yeah, I can hear you. Kevin, what are you saying?
Can you imagine? Only for me to run outside thinking that my gate man apprehended her. And I found the gate wide open.
That she ran away? How? How did she run away? What was wrong with you? Common thing, you can do it. I am here trying to cover my own end. And the little thing you're supposed to do, you just messed it up. Eh? What's your problem?
What's your problem now? How can you say this in this situation?
Stop lying. Stop lying. What do you mean she kicked you? Or you tried to lure her into sleeping with you? How will she come close to you? Does she have strength?
Listen, I only called you for us to know what we'll do to her car before the police come here and start looking for her.
See, the only thing I'm going to tell you now, look for that Tonia girl and fix her. Yes, you heard me. Look for her and fix her. I will join you soon. Excuse me. My queen.
Jesus Christ! Babe, Tonia, babe, you scared the living hell out of me. What is the problem with you?
Sorry, it wasn't intentional.
Why are you sneaking in like a thief?
I will explain to you later. I need my bag I left here. I need it immediately. Please.
What for?
I said I need it, please. I need to save the prince and his mother.
I just hope your parents will be happy to hear this you're saying. I am talking to you about something very important and you're telling me about a bag you need to save the whole world
I will
with.
explain to you later. I have no time. I guess it's in the room.
Tonia!
I will explain later.
Mother, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. There was something wrong with that girl. I knew it. I knew there was something fishy with that girl.
What girl?
Your princess, of course.
Oh, Fred, what is it again? Have you seen why this girl keeps saying that you doesn't like her, you doesn't show interest, like she is your worst nightmare?
She is. Look at this. Pay attention to my journal. Now stay with me. The first time I met this girl, I asked her, which kingdom are you from? She said, Omochida. And today, I asked her same question. Same question. And you know what she said? She is from Omoabelago Kingdom.
Are you sure? How could that be?
It's right there in my journal. It's right there.
This could be a mistake. See, anyone can do this mistake.
Can you? Are you sure she's a princess? Mother, are you sure she is who she said she is?
I need to find out. Hello?
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me, on the humble.
Has he taken your course?
He has not to. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to know what is going on with him. Even Regina has been calling to know one or two things.
That still boils down to what I ask you. For Fred not to pick your calls and not getting in touch with you, that means you offended him and you don't want to admit it.
Prophetess Grace, if you are this good in prophecy, you would have solved so many issues for me. I know you want to hear that me and my friend is having issues because of woman. Sorry to disappoint you. There is nothing like that.
That is what you said. If Fred is here, I will sincerely ask him and the truth will come out.
No problem.
But don't worry. On a very good day, the truth will come out and it will set two of us free.
That is no problem. And I can assure you that that issue you want me and my friend to have, it will never happen. Okay?
What's my business? Go to Sibasam.
I was about going out when she bashed into the house. She said she came to pick something from the bag she came back with. So I had to sneak out to come and call you.
And where is she now?
She is still in my house.
Let's go.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me, on the humble. I got the way.
So what do we do now? What do you do with her car should in case something goes wrong?
I think we should drive this car far away from this place. You can park it out somewhere else.
We're not the one to do that. We have to get someone that will drive the car there. And also get her phone and leave it inside the car. Okay?
Right. That's true. See, nobody, on no account, will we tell anyone that we saw her. Talk more of she coming into this place. We never saw her. She never came here. And we don't know her whereabouts.
It's alright. But after that, we're leaving town.
Leaving town? Why?
What do you mean, why? Do you know if she has talked to somebody? Eh? Do you know if I have discussed with anybody? See, we don't have that time. Come, let's go.
Maybe I don't buy this idea. How can we be scared of that girl like that?
What do you mean? See, I don't want to get into trouble. Okay? Come, let's go.
Baby, you're not getting into trouble, don't you get it?
My friend, listen to me. Come, let's go.
Oh, God.
What's your problem now?
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me, on the humble. I got do anything to get to you on the whole season. Marry me, on the humble. On the whole season, on the whole season. Marry me, on the humble.
Where is she?
Ma, I left her here before I came to call you people. But I'm surprised I can't find her.
Zena, my daughter, why not tell us what is going on?
No, my husband. You don't need to attack Gina in this manner. If you do, she won't be able to relate anything to us again if she gets to find out anything.
Is she not her best friend?
Your daughter might decide to hide things from her.
No, I don't believe that. They share everything together. They relate with each other. She knows what is going on, she's just pretending because things is like this.
I still don't believe so, my husband. Can't you see that Gina is scared already? What we do now is to make sure we have positive answer to get our child back. Please.
You think so?
Yes, I do.
called you two because I want you guys to mount at the end of the street. If you see any signal that you don't understand, give us a call. We'll make myself clear.
Now listen, you two. I want you two to be very, very vigilant. If you see that girl coming anywhere close to this house, do not hesitate to call us. Did I make myself clear?
Mama, see, you see this case? Now come case. We go run in 2 seconds. As far as say, Shayo the highness, the men go step down, they wait now.
That won't be a problem. I will arrange some money for you guys. One more thing. I want you two to put your eyes on that car. If you see anyone going towards it, let me know as well.
That's small matter be that now. As far as money is involved, we dig in.
It's alright. Let me arrange some money for you guys.
Oh, Allah, now we'll go to wait for you.
Musa!
Just got the concrete information that she's around. Yes. So, that is it. So, you guys can swing into action immediately. That is it. That's good. Look, let me tell you guys. I'm expecting good news from you guys as soon as possible. Good news. No stories. All serious. By the time I'm done with them, they will know that somebody is on the pipeline. It's okay.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my prince.
What happened? You were supposed to return yesterday.
It wasn't intentional, my queen. I was kidnapped.
Kidnapped?
Yes.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, my queen. I can't lie before your presence. I'm certain I was kidnapped.
Wait, if you were kidnapped yesterday, how come you're here? Were you kidnapped from the palace?
No, but luckily for me, I was able to hit the boy watching over me on his balls and escape.
My goodness. This is serious. Were you able to recognize any of them?
Yes, I did.
So, who are they?
Linda and her boyfriend.
And who are those?
Your Princess Joy is Linda.
What?
Hey. Do you know the consequences of what you just said?
Yes, my queen. It's unbelievable. Hence, I made a video with my phone. I got them walking away. But the phone is in my car, which is still in their compound.
Mother, I am calling the police right now to go over there with her.
I need to call Joy. Her line is not connecting. Oh, this explains it. I now know why she came here to inquire about you yesterday. Oh, really? Oh my word.
Hello, officer.
So here's the address.
I know the village. Who gave you the address?
His friend. After calling him on the phone and narrating what the situation is, he asked me to come over to the house and he gave me the address.
Why didn't he come with you to take us there?
Ma, himself and Fred have loggerheads, so he couldn't come with us.
I know the village. Let's go.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the hamburger. I don't do anything to get to you on the whole season. Marry me on the hamburger. On the whole season. On the whole season. On the marry me on the hamburger. You must marry me. On the whole season, marry me, on the hamburger.
So why did you stop here?
Tonia, I want to take this opportunity to apologize.
Apologize over what?
Everything. Every single thing that you have been through because of me. I am very sorry. Please. I know what you have gone through. And I feel bad about it.
It's okay.
Please.
Everything will be alright. Okay? So,
thank you. Who is there?
Do you know him?
I don't.
And someone is knocking here too.
No, I don't. Who are those people?
Jesus!
What?
Please.
Shh. Oh yeah, maintain. Make you feel sustain.
Please. Please.
Behave yourself.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. What do you want?
Ball out!
Ball out! Ball out! Ball out! Ball out! Wait. Hey, please, calm down. Don't do anything. Please. Come on, maintain. Maybe sustain. Maintain.
Love, my heart is made up for you. I will stand for you day and night. No matter the threat and the hate, you're my choice. The day I met you, can't you love more?
I say, come here now. Where are you going to? Huh? Pay me my money.
Madam Sosha, wait, that's a man you're rough handling like that.
I don't lost my wallet.
Now the strategy where you want to go, I go change them for you now.
What is the problem?
What's my business if you
My
lost your
wallet
wallet?
don't lose.
Madam Sosha, calm down, please. Calm down. What's the problem here?
Ask him to pay me. Let him pay me my money.
Madam, calm down. You are embarrassing me. What's the meaning of that?
Embarrassment.
No, say you guess us. I just lost my wallet, bros.
All right, okay.
Oh
I
my
don't see you
God.
na tire. Pay me my money.
Wait.
You not gonna like me, oh.
Nah, me, Madam Sosha, I did embarrass like this.
all right.
I just finished eating. Oh. I don't even know
Madam
that
Sosha,
my
how
wallet
much
not
is the
with me.
money?
5,900.
5,900.
Yes.
All right, add that to my own bill. I'll make transfer for you immediately, okay?
Are you sure?
Of course.
You are sure?
Please, you can't be embarrassing him like this. Let him go, let him go. Right?
Just thank your God.
But you are lucky.
So, Madam Sosha, and me, Gerard, when they come your hotel, they chop roundabout, chop up behind it.
Good. Go, Wala. Drive on, shall rise again. Drive on, shall rise again.
Your wallet.
You mean my wallet?
Yes.
How did you find it?
I saw it on the floor where I was rushing to get my mother something. Yes, when you were coming down and rushing in Madam Social shop. I couldn't bring it because I was rushing to get my mother stuff she used in cooking.
Well, that's good.
You see?
You're a good boy.
Thank you, sir.
Lie, never hide. Oh! You are a brother. You are a brother. I say lies, never hide.
He's such a drama king.
Check if everything is intact.
Hey! All my money intact. Eh?
You were actually telling the truth.
Of course, I can lie.
Why don't you give the
I'm
boy
bigger
some-
than lies.
Bless the boy with a little.
You don't need to tell me. I will bless you. Hold this for you. Hey, no, wait, come on. Have this one.
Thank you, sir.
For
Thank
your
you,
good
sir.
good. Come. No, you deserve more. Hold this one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just bless.
Fred, Sam, I
don't know what I would have done when I found myself in the middle of a deep blue sea sinking. But then, Fred got my hand and spoke to Madame Social.
Count yourself lucky. Madame Social would have embarrassed you beyond your imagination.
Well, I just thank God I was vindicated.
How? What do you mean?
I just thank God when that small boy brought back my wallet in your presence. It was like a deliverance, I mean a miracle. Maybe if we are not there, this whole story would have been a different ballgame. And you'll never believe me if tomorrow you see me or tomorrow I meet you to tell you all these stories.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
You shouldn't blame Madame Social. A lot of people has done her bad through that way.
Oh, Sam, not my kind. I'm too big for that now, not my kind. Well, I just pray I will never make such mistake again. Never on earth will I do such mistakes.
It's okay.
Man, I really appreciate you guys, you brothers for life.
What happened? I thought you're a graduate. Why this?
Yes, I am. But the bad government and the ugly situation of this country have turned me to a gangster.
What's going on?
Chill.
What is going on?
I don't know.
I'm so scared.
Whatever it is, I hope it's in our favor. Because as it is now, we're at their mercy.
Guys, what they do? Eh? You sure say you still there with me for this business? You don't spoil everything now.
Calm down. Chill up. If you were my shoe, will you love to kill that guy? Bro, look into my eyes. I can't beat the finger that once fed me. Come on, slow.
See, make I tell you, but who will still get our balance? Who will still get what? Nah, what for you?
Relax. I will play Uno Selena doings in the sense that, I'll tell Uno, say, we don't accomplish the mission.
Okay, wait. What you talk good though? Okay. What thing we go use show no we say we don't buy them, as in where the evidence we will go show them. Because we got convinced and say we don't buy these people though.
Fine. You know what, so I'll use picture. Don't forget, I do makeup for school now.
God protect us.
It's okay, just relax. What's going on? What is happening?
Chill. I need some money.
Money?
Yes. I need to get blood and make you a makeup. Yes, so I can convince you know that you're dead. Some money. Let me accomplish this mission.
Okay. All right. Give me your account number.
Musa! Open the gate.
Sir, I don't account to you. I wouldn't change for anybody. Do you hear me?
You might well have to ask me.
Understand you guys were doing this for money. There is no amount of money that is worth human life. So I want to make sure you guys don't go this lane anymore. I'm offering you 10 million naira right now to give up this lifestyle, to drop your guns and turn a new leaf.
I told you, he's a generous person.
I'm giving you an extra 10 million if you could tell me who was behind this. Who wanted to take my life and her life at the same time?
Actually, it was that same man you took as a father. That same man you do everything for.
Oh no.
Chiamadi.
Yes. He sent us.
Echamadi is an evil man. As I speak to you, he's having our balance of 3 million naira. And we need to collect that balance from him. And after then, you need to do anything you want to do with him.
You promised me you will not pick up the gun again. Let me have your number so we can stay in touch.
Hey, don't do now, they come. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How may I be of help, sir?
Actually, we are here to see Tonia.
Tonia. Okay, you mean Tonia the maid servant?
Yes, Tonia the maid servant. Please, we're here to see her.
What do you mean? Tonia, my daughter, maid servant?
Okay, wait a minute, let me call her. I'm coming, wait a minute, let me go.
It's okay.
What do you mean? You mean Tonia, my daughter, a maid servant?
Ma, I don't know, but I would encourage you to have a little patience. When we get in, we'll know all we need to know, please.
Gina.
Love more. My heart is made up for you. I will stand for you day and night, no matter the threat.
Listen, you cannot continue like this, okay? You need to put yourself together, okay? Look, we are alive, and that gives us the time and opportunity to put things back in order. Huh? It's a small world. What if I listened and I minded my business and didn't come to Auntie Social's house that day? We would have met our Waterloo.
Oh God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
A good deed has given us a second chance.
Yes.
It's okay. Just calm down. We have to leave.
Yes.
All right?
No mind them at all. Love more. My heart is made up for you. I will stand for you.
That's why we are here, Your Majesty.
This is serious. You mean she never told you people about her quest for love? And with how I pressured her, she never wavered towards her goals to be with my son, the prince. She must have gotten a good heart. A strong heart.
A very strong heart, Your Majesty. To the extent of not sharing anything with her best here.
Sir, are you saying that you never believed me all this while?
No, all I'm saying is that I have never seen best friends not sharing things with each other.
Well, then trying my son's line. They are not connecting. None is connecting at all.
Needless of trying my daughter. Her phone had been switched off since she came back on this journey.
But we will keep trying, my husband.
Go ahead.
Love more. My heart is made up for you. I will stand for you day and night, no matter the threat and the hate. You're my choice. The day I met you, can't you need love more. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. Plenty sacrifice for love.
Mr. Man, if I were you, you couldn't make that call.
I don't understand, as in.
Where is your second?
Hey! Move, brother. Get it, move. Daniel! Move!
Popo, you are our friend.
Move!
Popo,
Get it.
move it. You are our friend.
Move!
You are our friend.
Yeah!
Popo, you are our friend.
Look at this is wonderful. You guys are really mean. Yes, this is what I want. Then at this point, I have to start preparing to ascend the throne of Umwezeshua Kingdom after the Yam Festival. Fred's burial must have been done and dusted by then. And the mother should also be aware that it's all over for her at the palace. That's it. Can you imagine a woman controlling an entire kingdom? Woman, for that matter. Ha! That's not it.
That's okay. Can we now have our balance?
Yes. Let me go for it immediately. Anyway. One more thing. Let's not forget. Aha! Yes. One more thing. I have a proposal again for you, another one. And that is, when I ascend the throne as the king, one more thing. I will still want to work with your team again. So that anyone who wants to raise his or her ugly head will be taken care of by you guys. My kingship must be smooth and swift. Do I make myself clear?
That's okay. But we will think about it, Your Majesty.
You can't say that again. That is it. So, I'm coming. Let me go fight immediately. I'm coming. Let me just run in.
My heart is made up for you. I will stand for you day and night. No matter the threat and the hate, you're my choice. The day I met you, can't you need to love more. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything for sweetie Karibo. Plenty sacrifice.
It's not connected.
Hey.
One more time. It's ringing now.
Thank God. Thank God, we have been trying your number since and it's not connecting. Yeah. It's fine, it's fine. We are through with Ono now. Yes. Sorry, it took us some time, Sha. Okay. Good. It's nice knowing you, bro. Nice knowing you.
Love, my heart is made up for you. I will stand for you day and night. No matter the threat and the hate, you're my choice. The day I met you, can't you need to love more. Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the hamba. I gotta do anything to get to you on the whole season. Marry me on the hamba. On the whole season. On the whole season. On the marry me on the hamba. You must marry me. On the whole season, marry me, on the everything happens like a dream.
Chicken, come. Where's my parent?
Madam, welcome. Madam, Oga don't they find you since? Oga they find you, go here, go here, go here. Madam, where you go now?
I just remembered I've not turned my phone on.
Me too. And I just turned on my phone now.
Okay, I need to talk to my friend. Hello, Gina.
Yes. Where are you? We've been looking for you. What happened to you?
I heard everyone is looking for me. I just got back home with Fred. So where are you guys?
You won't believe it if I tell you that we are at Fred's palace. His mom asked us to wait while she makes different calls trying to find out what is going on.
Are you serious? Okay, wait, we'll be there. Okay? We're coming there.
Okay.
Did he go through?
Yes. Let's go. I need to go get my parents. Chicken, open the gate fast!
The truth must prevail. Yes, see the reason why I should love you. Melt my heart, show me the reasons why I should love you. What I need is love and peace of mind. Can you give it to me? Money not be everything. I need peace of mind. Money not be everything.
Who else? If not the queen? If not those who are using me to run the kingdom, yet they assume royalty.
You mean Queen Elisa?
Yes, let me pick the call. Yes, my queen. This one you are calling, I hope all is well. Okay. All right, let me dress up immediately. I'll be with you soon. Yes, I'll be there. Thank you.
Hope all is well.
Who else? I know it. Every time Amadi, they won't allow Amadi to rest. Eh?
Igwe, let's finish this meeting.
Very soon they will know. Yeah. Let's enjoy this meal. Our music again.
I need peace of mind. Rushy, fire, negodi on the horses. Maribe, on the hamba. Rushy, fire, on the horses. Maribe, on the hamba. Now me you must marry on the horses. Maribe, on the hamba. I got to try to hide the truth away. One day, the truth must prevail. Yes, you will one day. No matter how you try to hide the truth away.
What is going on?
The truth must
What's happening? It's not possible.
It is possible. Amadi, it is possible. You think you're seeing a ghost? Or ghosts? Now, we are alive and healthy. You failed. Your plans were foiled because of one good turn that deserved another. Unlike you, that took advantage of my goodness to you to strike.
Ichiamadi, the unknown of this great kingdom. I don't know what to do with you. Only the gods of this land will curse you. So you will never know peace. Only the gods.
Are you Mr. Madi? No, it's inside.
Hey! Shut up! You are under arrest. You cannot run faster than your shadow.
Arrest him!
Take him down!
Arrest him!
Amadi, why are you running? Huh? Why are you running?
You have the right to remain silent for whatever you say now or do is against you in the court of law.
Yes.
So move.
Oh no.
I said move it. Move.
But one day it will surely rise. The truth I need peace of mind. Rushy, fire, negodi on the horses. Marry me, on the hamba. Rushy, fire, on the horses. Marry me, on the hamba. Now me you must marry on the horses. Marry me, on the hamba. I gotta do anything to get to you on the horses. Marry me, on the hamba. On the horses, on the horses. Marry me, on the hamba. You must marry me.